Alrighty, how y'all doing? Hope you're doing well. This is installed. Oop, dropped my book. Sorry. This is gonna be a brief video. Let's see if I can remember how to do this. Yay! This is my second set that I bought recently with TMCC and rail sounds. Let me bring it down here so you can look at it. Horn, where you at? There it is. Bell. I must got a headlight, doesn't it? Alright, Norfolk Southern GP9. We can do without the bell. There we go. The Southern Intermodal. Slow down, baby. Got Norfolk and Western. Nickel plate. Conrail, which y'all know that's pretty much what's going on. Norfolk Western caboose. Of course, I got a lot of junk on the table, so. Inside rail right now is dead. I haven't got it connected. I've got some stuff coming so I can have more power inside and outside to the rails. Right now I'm just running this CW80. Seems to be doing alright, just one engine at a time. That's about all I can handle anyway for right now. And there it is. Norfolk Southern. There it is. I'd like to thank all new subscribers. I'd like to thank you for watching, subscribing, commenting. I do appreciate each and every one of you. I thank you and welcome you to Scotty Rock's Train channel. We got us a New York Central, that's the MTH product, PS2. Yeah, I just jumped right over it, didn't I? We got a PS2 Southern, I don't know what the ratios are right now. I mean the wheel stuff. My apologies. And this is a it's bad. I dang on Texas and Pacific. I'm getting old or something. I don't know what the deal is. Pennsylvania, Norfolk and Western engine, MTH. It's the Bantam. I can't call it. That's one of my happy engines right there. It's the A models. I've enjoyed running them. Of course, you see all that. And I'll show you more. Some of this stuff I've had for a while, some of it I haven't. Of course, all these are conventionals, except for this guy and this guy on. You can run him on PS2 system. All the rest of these are conventional. And then I got the Polar Express engine that I bought. Somebody just had it for sale without the tender, and I bought it, and it actually works now. I put new tires on it and got it fully functional. And of course, you can see I've got some Conrails SD40, 3 Conrail GP38s. The 38's a PS1. The Conrail over there, SD40, is a Weaver. It's just normal, nothing exciting, conventional. The red Burlington, it would be nice if I held it down where y'all could see it. The red Burlington is SD40-2. It has a PS1 system, but it's a dud. Then we got Norfolk Western, 2 Norfolk Westerns, and God only knows what's on the other side, I don't remember. This is probably going to get edited a lot.